This is a new collection we have. It's called Flower Cards Shabby Chic Number 2. Now this comes from Germany, and in it you will make 9 cards, but wow, look at what you will get to make those 9 cards. Now before we get started, I want to get in really close to what's on the package, because you can see the 9 cards here, and you can see that they are a zigzag card, tri-panel. They have these pieces that pop forward, and all of the artwork is included too. Let me show you how this operates. You're going to get 9 of these card bases, and they are in colored cardstock, and you're simply going to fold them like so. Then to coordinate, now I'm going to use a different color, but you're also going to get 9 of these. And this is going to be that insert, so you're going to fold this back into a mountain fold. This next one is a valley. This is going to be these parts. These squares are going to come forward. The little sections next to them are going to go back. So it's going to go like that. And then this is also going to be in a valley fold right here. So this is going to get glued inside here. And when you open it, let me hold on to it. Whoops. When you open it, it's going to look like this. So the card becomes the backing to that open area, and you still have your 3-panel card, just like so. Okay, now what are you going to use to decorate those areas? So you've got 3 panels and you've got all of those squares. Well, you've got 9 sheets, and they all are easy to cut out because they're all straight lines. So this piece and this piece are going to go right here and here. This larger piece is going to go right there. This decorative piece, there we go, is going to go on this area right here. And then the little squares, in this case they're birds, they're flowers in others, they're kittens in some, those are going to pop on each side right here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Everything is right there. So you've got 9 different looks, as I showed you in the beginning. And then we're not done, because you do get the envelopes to hold your cards. You also get some other things. Now, if you want to foam tape anything, you're going to get 400 little foam squares, so that's going to come in handy. You also get some peel-off stickers. So these have corners and borders to add to your cards. You also have these die-cut pieces. Now, they're on a sheet of paper. You just pop them out. These are also designed to be layered, so you can follow the color and the number. For instance, this is a white number 1. Here is a white number 2 and a white number 3. You just pop them on and foam tape them to the matching areas. So that goes there, that goes there, that goes there, and that completes the white. There's a pink, there's a green, all around to finish those, so you get more additional flowers. All of that's super easy to do, and you will get a very different look with every single sheet. So that's the one I was showing you. You have this one with the flowers and the kittens, beautiful roses. Have more, and so a really kind of ghosted back look, but bright on the ones on the little squares as well as the imagery. This is with flowers and music and all. So just a beautiful, very different cards. Now, if you want more, there is this sheet of more of the squares. Maybe you didn't like what was on there. Well, you've got another option right here. So I truly think they thought of everything with these very beautiful 3-dimensional cards called Shabby Chic.